Hey there, I'm Paul Rabelais, and in this video we're going to build a really valuable, hopefully a valuable collection of nursing home reviews. So let me give you an introduction. Nursing homes these days, they're just a way of life. Most people, as they get older and they worry about what's going to happen if they get sick, I think most people feel like, I really don't want to go to a nursing home. I don't like nursing homes, but you never know what the future holds, and I may get to a condition where, a nursing home is just where I have to live. Sure, some people may have the financial resources to get that round-the-clock care in their home. Some people may go live with children or other family members, but I think most people, as they get into their 60s and 70s, they realize, hey, there may come a day where I need that round-the-clock care that nursing home provides. I don't have a better alternative. It might be the way it needs to be. Nursing homes are popping up everywhere. People are living longer, so this is a big deal. So in this video, we're really purely just talking about nursing homes, those skilled care providers. What we're not talking about in this video, what we may talk about in another video, is the assisted living facilities. Two different things. Some people are in independent living, some people are in assisted living because they need a little bit of help or assistance, and then other people need that round-the-clock skilled nursing care that nursing homes provide. So just know there's a difference between assisted living facilities and nursing homes. We're really talking today about nursing homes. So my personal experience with nursing homes is my dad's parents, one set of grandparents. My grandmother lived in a nursing home in a little town in Avoyelles Parish called DuPont. My grandparents moved in. I guess they were 80 when they moved in, and my grandfather, I think, passed away about 3 years later. This was a long time ago. My grandmother lived there for 20 years, and she died when she was 100. In fact, she died in the year 2000. So that was a long time ago, and I think it was about as good an experience as they could get. I remember going to visit quite often. And it was okay, and it provided the care that they needed. And then I also had some experience in my wife's family. My wife's grandmother here in Baton Rouge lived in a nursing home called Landmark Nursing Home here in Baton Rouge, and I think she lived there for about 8 or 10 years. She also, I think, had a pretty good experience, and the reason I think she had a pretty good experience was because her daughter, my mother-in-law, would go sit with her, I think it was every day for years. And so my mother-in-law was able to keep an eye on things, make sure my wife's grandmother got the level of care that she needed. And I think just that extra, her being there for sometimes several hours every single day really assured that my wife's grandmother got the kind of care that she needed to get in that facility. And then, from 30 years of client conversations, many people have told me their nursing home stories and their experiences about either their spouse or their mother or their father or some other loved one being in a nursing home and what they felt about it. The good reviews typically are something like, the nursing home, we liked it because the nursing home was clean, or we liked it because the staff they were polite, they were knowledgeable, the staff was responsive. That's probably a big one. Some people say, we liked it because the food was good enough. And when I hear the bad stuff, the bad stuff would be like, we don't like that nursing home because, when you walk in, it's dirty, it's smelly, the staff is unresponsive. They leave my mother in her bed for hours on end when she needed something. Staff was rude, and in fact, it was unfortunate to hear some people tell me that, they would think that the staff actually stole things from the room of the, nursing home resident. So that's really not good. So what we need in this video is we need your written reviews in the comments below. The whole idea is build a collection of comments on various nursing homes. And look, I realize I'm making this video in Louisiana, and depending upon where you are, maybe you're in Louisiana, maybe you're in another state, we could still use your review. So the idea is we want some feedback, so as people read your reviews, it may give them some peace of mind as to what to look out for, what kinds of things they need to do as they move a a family member into that particular nursing home facility. I got to guess the owners, of these nursing homes have a lot of say as to what kind of care is provided. They're the ones hiring the staff. They're the ones implementing the procedures of the nursing home. So if, to the extent we can kind of raise the bar a little bit, that would be fantastic if that was a result of this video. So I know many of you watching this video have had more experience sitting and visiting and dealing with nursing homes than I have. So I want to draw out that experience from you so it can help everybody else. So share your experience in the comments below. The things that I look for is, what's the name of the nursing home? What's the location, city or town of the nursing home? And then just your overall review. What was good about it and what was not good about it. The purpose of this video is not to bash nursing homes, but genuinely to give people feedback on their experiences so that it can help other people. And so make sure, it's real important. I know in other videos I ask for comments, but this one I'm really asking for comments, and we really could use it. Any experience that you've had with nursing homes is welcome. We hope all of the feedback is good. That would be fantastic. That would make me and others feel good as they consider nursing home alternatives in the future. But we want to tell it how it is. So comments below, describe your experiences with nursing homes, the name, the location, what was good about it, what might have been not so good. Click the comment, and I'm going to read those, and I'm sure other people will read them as well. We're getting up to a couple thousand subscribers. If you're watching this on YouTube, we're getting up to a couple thousand subscribers, so these videos are starting to be seen quite a bit. Your feedback is very helpful. I thank you in advance. Now y'all go out there and have a great day. Take care.